No, they say can't go home again. I just had to come back one last time. Ma'am, I know you don't know me from Adam. These handprints on the front step are mine. I don't even know if I'm singing it right.
Want cookie?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ow!
Do you want a cookie?
No. Yeah.
Good. Come back. I'm lonely.
No.
We're recording.
Are your pants down? I seriously thought your pants were on the ground.
Trying to be serious.
Ew!
My shirt's full.
Why'd you face in that one? That was hilarious. I looked at your down your face. You're like, what? Why are your hands on the ground?